Hey, it's Kimberlee. Welcome back to my channel. I make videos of all things lifestyle on a budget, and can we move past the fact that I have a full face of makeup on? I'm currently in between shows, so bear with me, but I'm super excited to share this next video. I'm going to be trying out a new protein powder from Blogilates. This is purely by chance. I needed a protein powder. I happened to be walking around the Target aisles, and I came across this, and I remember doing her workouts and like all her videos like years ago, and I was like, oh my gosh, she has a protein powder, and it's vegan. Like, let me try it out. So I'm going to be reviewing this in the video today. If this has been out for a year, cool. I have no idea. If it's new, yay, because I just saw it and I'd never seen it before. I saw the little vegan symbol right on there. It's also non-GMO, soy-free, and gluten-free, 16 grams of protein. I'm going to be sharing the different ways that I've been using it in terms of like ingredients, because there's only one way but to just drink it. But we're gonna talk about the ingredients and stuff, so let's dive in. Yeah, so like I said, I was literally strolling through the aisles. Y'all know the previous protein powder that I've been using and I've mentioned here on this channel for years comes from Amazon. I just didn't order it because I'm somewhere else now, and I just saw it. This one, there were a few different kinds. This one is called the Blogilates Sculpt and Debloat protein powder with probiotics. It has 16 grams of plant protein for lean muscle and a healthy gut. I love the design, by the way, super cute. I was kind of intrigued by the idea that this is helpful for deep bloating. As I was saying in the past, I was taking the L-glutamine, and I actually finished that. But I thought, like, let's keep the good vibes going and actually try out this deep bloating. So I'll talk about that as well. I'm going to be trying it out just by itself, tell you how it is, and then I'm going to be adding in my usual, which is like some fruits, etc. And then I might try it one more way, so we'll see how that goes. So where I got it, it was $27.99. This is a 13.4 ounce. Price range, I would say, is medium to me. I'd never try to go over $30. That's not for me. Try to keep it on a budget lifestyle channel. This is what it looks like on the inside. So regular protein vibes. I have been using it, so I'm a bit ways through. Even though this is kind of like one of those slender cups, you do need 2 of them. I'd say it's not going to last you like extreme amount. And also this is only 13.4 ounces. Okay, so first up, I am just mixing this with some almond milk, and I'll be adding only the protein powder. This is not how I would normally have it. I would add more things, but I just wanted to test it out and see what the taste is. The recommended serving size is to use 2 scoops. The scoop is included, and let's blend this baby up. This is the smoothie with literally just the protein powder and almond milk. Oh, this is actually my first time having it just like this, and it does taste a little bit chalky, but it is flavorful. I was thinking it was going to be a thin consistency because there's no banana or fruits or anything, but it's actually really good. I'm having this before my show tonight. Give me some extra energy. I just had like a light dinner, so I wanted, a little bit something more. So by itself, like I said, it's pretty basic. Like there's nothing to say. There's no aha moment or an unexpected surprise. It's a protein powder, so obviously it's gonna have a little bit of a chalky taste. It's not on the far end where it's like extremely chalky and there's no flavor, etc. It's actually has a bit of flavor with it, which I like. It's subtle, it's not overpowering. If I got into a bind like I did the other day where I didn't have any bananas, the fact that I can have it on its own is actually really good. Now this is more my usual, so I've got a banana, some frozen berries. I'm gonna add the almond milk again and then do the 2 scoops. One minor detail that I do love is that the protein powder blends really easily and doesn't get stuck to the sides of the cup. I'm recording on my iPad, so I don't know how like clear this is, but this is the Blogilates smoothie with banana, as you saw, the protein powder, and some frozen berries, which is usually roughly how I make my smoothies. Previously, I usually use a smoothie that has greens in it, so that's why I didn't add any greens. So obviously, I don't taste the chalkiness as much because there's more stuff added to it. If I wanted to go a little bit further, I would have added some peanut butter in it, but it's a protein powder. It's got enough protein already. If you don't like bananas, I don't know what to tell you, because I feel like bananas make every smoothie so much better. Makes it more creamier, thicker consistency. I'm not too sure on these bloated claims though. That might be a bit of a stretch. I'll try to keep note of it today, but in the couple weeks that I've been using it, I do not see where deep bloating is occurring. I don't feel like this is like a big fibrous intake to make me like need to go to the bathroom more or not experience bloating. So not too sure on that one, but we'll see. There's time. I'm gonna focus on that today. As I say, as I have like double rehearsal, a show, a fitting, all the stuff going on today, but I'm gonna focus on that. Okay, so I'm bringing an update. It's about like 1:30ish now. It's my lunch break and I'm starving. So as an update to the protein smoothie, it lasts about 3 hours or so because I think I had it around 10-ish in the morning. So 10 to 1, it lasts about 3 hours and I'm extremely hungry. But it is enough to have as like if you're on the go and just need something versus having nothing. So I do like it. I feel full, but then obviously like it's not like a huge long lasting smoothie of sorts. Feel though, I will say it doesn't taste, again, out of the ordinary from any other type of protein powder that I've had. I feel like it's in this is a good protein powder section. So there's nothing bad about it. It's just the protein powder. One thing that I will say so far, and I've really tried to take note of it, but there's nothing to say to it, is the whole claim about it being debloating or working against that or it having probiotics in it. If it does, that's great. There is no major indication to me like whatsoever, but maybe in this moment my gut is working very well. The good part is I don't have any adverse effects. I don't find myself being bloated off of this. I would doubt that would happen because this is supposed to be the exact opposite, but everybody's different. But I'm definitely not bloated from it, but I definitely don't feel like I haven't been bloated once since using it. I think I have, and it's based off of other food that I'm eating. So I'm not too sure where those claims fit in that it's, working hard to prevent that in any sort of way. For the moments that I have, been bloated, I don't think that this has had any sort of effect on it. Genuine thoughts on the Blogilates protein powder. Cool, it's great. It being a good protein powder that I like the taste and it doesn't bother me and it mixes really well and it keeps me feeling good or satiated after I eat. Yeah, I think that is totally true and I would recommend it based off that. If you're looking for the exact claims within here, not too sure about that. I like that it is decently affordable. I like that it is vegan, and those are all the things I really care about. So that really works out for me. But yeah, this is really cool. Love that she has protein powders. I'd be curious to try the other ones. I feel like they'd probably end up tasting the same. I would just say if you're looking for a protein powder, you're looking for something that doesn't have a massive chalky taste because you're going to be mixing with other stuff, then definitely try this one out. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this, if you tried any of her other stuff, if she has any other, well, I'm gonna shop this. Awkward that I was gonna save it with my shoulders. I don't know how, but if you tried any other products from her or her clothing line or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below because I have seen some stuff about her, like specifically designing the clothing based off of common issues that people have when they are, shopping fitness. So I'd be curious maybe to even try that out. Because I do love some fitness wear. So that is my video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.